any idea why?
Well, we don't know why. We can imagine that there's something like a presentiment, a precursor, which a lot of people anecdotally reported after September 11th. People had strange dreams, or they felt poorly in the morning.
Oh, yes.
And then this event occurred. So it is conceivable that if we're dealing with something like a mass mind, the mass mind had a presentiment of something bad about to occur on a very large scale. But that, of course, is a wild speculation. We really don't know why most of the effects here actually occurred about 6 o'clock in the morning on Eastern Daylight Time.
And then, of course, the gigantic spike when it actually did occur.
Right, but I should clarify something. There's two different kinds of analyses that are done in this project. There are formal analyses, which are the most important part because it allows us to test the hypothesis without being biased. So the hypothesis is there's something like a global mass mind response that would be reflected in the generation of order, unexpected order, of random generator. But you have to pre-specify how you're going to analyze the data on a given event before you actually do it. Otherwise, you have to use the data as Rorschach test. You just project your fears and wishes into the data.
Well, here's something the public obviously does not know, and I certainly didn't know until the news came out about what reported during this event, or during this event. There was no information in the general scientific community, at least not in the general public, that this was going on. How long have these eggs been sitting there monitoring everything?
Well, ironically, the network itself started in August 1998. The very first event that was used in the formal database was the bombing of the U.S. Embassy in Africa, which we now think was done by Osama bin Laden. So, the fact that this is back to the idea of how to do a formal test. The embassy test was decided in advance after we heard about the embassy being blown up. Before the data was looked at, Roger declared that we looked at 10 minutes before bombing, 4 hours afterwards. And that period of time was somewhat chosen arbitrarily, but it was chosen as a way of representing what is likely to be the world's response to these events. So the way that Roger analyzes the data is by accumulating the data from 10 minutes before to 4 hours after. And he found a wildly significant result as it was for those embassy bombs. And so he decided that since this has some element of similarity, many elements actually, to those events, that he used the same criterion for September 11th. And by that criterion, one of the pictures on the website shows that it indeed was a significant effect.
Yeah, I'll say.
So the other analyses, many of the other analyses, including the ones that I've posted there, are purely exploratory, and they follow after the formal test. The reason why we followed it up, the reason why I in particular followed it up, is because this is such a striking event, so many dimensions, that I felt that it would be useful to take a very close look at the data from the 1 second resolution all the way up to looking how September 11th here compared to the surrounding months.
Might I ask this? With regard to the action prior to the event itself, it has been suggested to me that, particularly if it would only take one mine, or perhaps even 8 or 9 or 10 mines, the terrorists themselves could have made it's been suggested the action that went on prior to the event there